Following the mantra of building future leaders, this weekend His Excellency Vakuru was invited to Kwekwe for the grand opening and launch of an elite school, Noah's Ark Academy in Masasa North, Kwekwe. Upon arrival, he was welcomed by the Academy's professional staff, which took him through a tour of the elite school's classrooms and facilities. The school is currently open for 2022 registrations and it enrolls learners from ECDA up to grade 4. The Academy also provides tea, lunch, and snacks to the students as part of their meals menu.
Yes. Afterwards. Okay. Come this way.
In order to help the students grow with excellent fine motor skills, Noah's Ark Academy is an exterior students' playing area and a multi-purpose conference room.
This is one of the biggest rooms that we have. We shall be using it for meetings, conferences.
My meetings kureva kuti paya vakakuya vachita naurana munhu vachipita.
Yes, you're even welcome to come and sit with your delegation here.
The Academy has a separate sick room for isolating any students that may fall sick during school hours.
Small ones, we put them in the crib.
Yes. Always have a
Yes. Yes.
The school's facility can accommodate any disadvantaged or disabled students with the presence of wheelchair ramps at every external entrance.
We've designed it in such a way that even those who are challenged, even those who are using wheelchairs, can go through this way.
The school has also well-built and structured toilets to accommodate the young students and enable the provision of good toilet etiquette throughout their learning period.
Ndaitaura namaizuru ndikati kuvabereki vane vana vagraduate handiti ukaona mwana asanodzokera kuNoah's Ark Academy wakutorashika. Vamwe fambe iwe mwau, vamwe fambe iwe mwau. Ipapo ndopofuna kudzokera mwana achiti rekuti nogodemu asi ndisingapedzi nguva ndaanchitaura nchiuya kuno maizviziva here kuti ndiri mualuminai wepaNoah's Ark. Ndopandakapinda vane Proverbs 22:6 ino chii marita inokwana nditi vakandiguruma ndosaka nchitonga iwe mwana wako akaendevapo achatonga achingotonga achingotonga pamberi nemudzidza pamberi nemudzidza pamberi nemudzidza antinosvona. Saka hai handichada kupedza nguva nditi ndiri pano uye takamirikwa migwagwa tiri kufura takafura terminus pagwero handiti nhasi takufura Academy yachaunoita handiti mangwana pamvuma tofurazve asi iwe tevera uye wainare mukomana wecovid wevanatu vaina wamanya gwero unowadza covid ukaona usani wajungwa unoshashangwa. Saka haindi chinga chungwai
Vakuru commended the work being done by the Kwekwe residents, who are playing a big role in opening up learning centers in a bid to build future leaders. This has been Juliet Soshe, Masasa North, Kwekwe.